Hey everyone, today, let's talk about a fantastic workout for your rhomboids. These muscles are often overlooked, but trust me, working on them will not only make you look better, but also help with a variety of issues like shoulder pain, posture, and even depression. So, let's get started. First up, we have the cable pull-through exercise. This is a great way to target your rhomboids and strengthen your upper back. Start by attaching both cables to the lowest setting of the cable machine. Step forward and grab onto the handles with both hands, keeping your arms straight. Lean forward and pull through your shoulders and middle back. Keeping the tension on the cables throughout each rep is crucial. Now let's move on to another exercise using dumbbells. Stand straight with 2 dumbbells in hand, palms facing each other, keeping your arms straight. Pull your hands toward each other behind you. Keeping the tension on the dumbbells throughout each rep is essential here as well. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you'll be doing wonders for your rhomboids and overall upper back strength in no time. Trust me when I say that focusing on these muscles can make all the difference in achieving that chiseled look you've been working towards. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, stay strong and keep working those rhomboids.